Are you a victim of frequent incorrect date and time? Do you want to enable the set automatically or manually change it? And also, do you want to change the time format for 24 to 12 hours? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to do that in just two simple and quick process. Now for that, from settings, go to time and language, to date and time. Now if you want to set your time and date automatically, time zone is really important. Now here it's just absolutely grayed out. Also, if I want to change it to automatic, it's just not working. Now to make it work perfectly, what you have to do is, from settings, go to privacy and security, scroll down to location, and here just make sure location services is toggled on all the way. Otherwise, it will not just work properly. Now I understand if you don't want to turn it on for security purpose. In that case, just go ahead, manually change your time and date from time and language section to date and time again. Now there are a number of ways to reach that settings, but the quickest way is to scroll down to additional clocks. Here, enter the date and time, manually change the date and time. Now, if you want to change the format, like as you can see, our computer is right now on 24 hours format. 24 hours format to make it 12 hours, which is really convenient. Go to change calendar settings. And in here, at the short time settings, select the lowercase option. And after that, go ahead, tap on apply. See, the time is immediately changed to 12-hour format. And then press OK. And that's it. That's how easily and quickly you can change time, date, and time format on your Windows 11 laptop. Thank you for watching. Take care.